Hello? Stay back.
Everyone told me I was crazy for spending $100 on this scrap metal from my elderly neighbor. They saw the rust and cobwebs. But I saw Frank, a sleeping legend. Can I revive him? Or is this the most expensive mistake of my life? Let's find out.
Oh no. That's better. Oh.
After decades exposed to the elements, this layer of rust has hardened to the point of being seemingly impenetrable. But look, beneath this layer of pinkish snow foam, Frank's soul is slowly awakening. Every scratch, every chipped piece of paint tells a story. I won't stop until Frank shines brightly in the sunlight, just like the first days he went to the fields.
Chà nhám bằng máy.
Nhậu.
Click button subscribe.
Restoration is not just about cleaning, but about reviving every minute detail. From scrubbing away mold and mildew, mending cracks caused by time, to applying this glossy coat of paint. Can you hear the sound of steel clashing? That's the heartbeat. Frank is slowly returning, stronger and prouder than ever.
I think this is enough to finally fix you up, old friend. Gosh.
At your service. Let's make some magic.
Whoa, that's cold. Whoa, right in the eyes. Watch it. Ah, hey, that tickles, but also...
After bringing Tomato back to the workshop, the real challenge began. As you can see, this body wasn't just rust, it was decades of dirt, grease, and the remnants of a horrific fire that had hardened into a rock-like crust. Using a specialized snow foam spray, this dense white foam penetrated every crack in the old teal paint, softening even the most stubborn deposits. Look. The murky, dirty water started to flow down, revealing the original rust underneath. This was the most satisfying part, but also when I realized the true extent of the damage to the chassis.
Well, that's getting fixed up. Yeah, that looks right. Just need a little...
All right, Mater, let's get those axles tightened up. Looking good down here. Just a little more. It's not moving.
After decades of snow foam and dirt have been scrubbed away, Mater's original frame is exposed, revealing significant signs of decay. This is where new steel fills the gaps. Every MIG weld must be precise to ensure structural integrity. But welding is only half the battle. The real art is the grinding process, transforming rough joints into a smooth surface as if they had never been patched.
Time to get these pearly whites sparkling again. Oh, that feels so refreshing. Look at them sparkle.
From a pile of rusty scrap metal, Mater has truly been reborn with a new soul. Looking at those smiles and eyes, we know that every hour of welding, grinding, and painting was worth it. Thank you for joining me on this journey to revive a legend. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next crazy restoration projects. See you at the garage.